poppin'? It's your boy Trilogy, official to be exact. Hit to react. What you mean?
What's
All right,
up,
today.
Stylers and stylists? It's your boy Tay Styles himself, back again like I never left.
That's A Styles. Anyways, let's get right to the show because it doesn't even matter. If you're new to the show or my channel, make sure you like and subscribe. What are you doing with your lives? All right, it doesn't even matter. Let's back to the show. All right, today we are reacting to Forever Rain music video by RM, the K-pop group. Man, they got hits after hits. What you mean? All right, let's get right to it because it doesn't even matter. Dang. Hey, a little piano work, animation. Okay, what is that? Raindrop? I don't know.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 누가 나 대신에 좀 울어줬으면 해서. yeah, 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어. yeah, 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에선 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래. 평소에 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 저 위치로 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비치고 난 어둠을 딛고 서 있어. 고개를 밑으로 내 발 뒤꿈치로. yeah, slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Forever rain. 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 비가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어. 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어. And I answer 난 여전히 삶의 인질. 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지. 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까. 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까. 제발 아무것도 묻지마. 그냥 영원히 내려줘. 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아. 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘. 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어. 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. When it rains it pours. When it rains it pours. It pours. Forever rain.
To be honest, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I never even heard of RM. I don't know who that is. I don't know it's like K-pop. They just that song kind of hit my soul a little bit, you know. I liked it. It's like smooth and everything. Forever Rain. What you mean? I mean, if you want some more of RM, make sure to comment below. A next video, it don't matter. Or K or BTS. Who do you think is better, BTS or RM? I don't know. But anyways, with that being said, make sure you like and subscribe and join the family. Trucking, what are you doing with your lives, people? Anyways, like and subscribe. Join the family, Trucking. I already said that. Alright, with that being said, family, peace.